In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sent items folder missing in Outlook. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to bring your sent items back into view in Outlook on the web, and make sure it stays easy to find next time. This method uses the built-in Favorites feature, so you can access sent items right from the top of your folder list. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox in your browser. If you already have Outlook open, you can stay there. Once Outlook loads, look at the left sidebar where your folders appear. If you don't see the Sent Items folder listed under Favorites or in the main list, don't worry. This just means it may be tucked away under your account's full folder tree. In the left sidebar, click on your email account name. This expands the complete set of folders for that account. Outlook often collapses these to keep the sidebar tidy, so expanding the account is the quickest way to reveal everything that belongs to it. After expanding the account, you should see Sent Items in the list, along with Inbox, Drafts, and other default folders. If the list is long, scroll a bit until you find Sent Items. You're in the right place once you see the folder with the familiar paper airplane icon. Hover your mouse over Sent Items to reveal more options, then click the three dots, the More Options menu, next to it. This menu gives you quick actions related to that folder without opening it. From the menu, choose Add to Favorites. This pins Sent Items to the Favorites section at the top of your sidebar, so it's always visible, even if the account list is collapsed. You're not creating a duplicate. Favorites is simply a shortcut to the same folder, which makes it much harder to lose track of. If Sent Items still doesn't appear in Favorites right away, refresh the page. Click your browser's refresh button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. A quick refresh clears minor display hiccups and updates the folder list, and in most cases, the folder will pop into Favorites immediately. That's it. By expanding your account to locate Sent Items, adding it to Favorites, and refreshing the page, you've ensured the folder is easy to find every time you open Outlook on the web. If your layout looks slightly different, the steps are the same. Expand the account, find Sent Items, add it to Favorites, and refresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Sent Items back where you need it.